Clara, Clara. Oh, what happened, Anthony? Why are you shouting like that? I'm feeling bored at home. Then what should I do, dear? Okay, I will go out for a walk. Okay, come soon. Shall I bring something from outside? Yes, I wish to have a soft drink. Okay, then. Bye.
James, dear, it's a very difficult situation for us.
Yeah, it's a very tough one.
James, a very few days left for our marriage. None of our parents are understanding our situation. What should we do now?
Yeah, I'm trying very hard to earn enough money for marriage, Sophia.
Try to arrange it soon.
Whatever the situation be, we will go through it together. Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
Okay, James.
Bye, Sophia.
Bye.
Please, sir, please, sir.
How many long days will you pretend without paying my money back?
Sir, please, sir, for
So many such days have passed away. I have lost my patience, Stephen.
please give me some time, sir.
A deal is a deal, and a promise is a promise. And no more time will be given to you.
I promise I'll return your money back soon, sir.
Instead of taking money back from you, I'll take over your shop.
It's my livelihood, sir. Don't do that, sir.
What else can I do?
Sir, please, sir, please.
I'm just
sir.
tired of your 5 promises. No more
Sir,
arguments
please,
and don't
sir.
talk anymore.
Sir, please, sir.
Please don't talk. I don't want to hear any arguments from you.
Stop it, Shylock. What are you trying to do?
What the hell are you talking about? You have no right to talk about it, Mr. Anthony.
As a human, I have right to talk.
He had already signed the agreement and nothing to talk about it.
He just took 20 euros from you. You tried to occupy a shop which is worth of 500 euros?
You better don't involve in this, Mr. Anthony. That's my business.
Okay, then I'm ready to give the 20 euros to you.
What the hell? He is the one who borrowed money from me. And why should you give me? I don't take money from you.
Okay, then take this. He's giving you the money now. Leave him.
Thank you very much. Anton.
It's okay, Steve. Okay, then I will leave.
Bye.
Anthony, what the hell?
What happened, Shylock? Why are you so angry?
He always interfere in my business and make me end in
Who
loss.
did that?
That Anthony, who else can?
Okay, cool. Everything will be fine.
You stop convincing me, Jessica. I know what to do. I'll not leave him at
Okay,
any
dear,
cost.
please don't be so angry.
Stop. Get lost from here. I don't want to see you in front of my eyes anymore. Get lost from here, Jessica. Don't make me so angry.
Hi, Robert. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
What happened? Why are you so dull today?
I just want some money.
Okay, sorry. I can't help you right now. It's tough to me to arrange now.
Thanks for your concern, Robert.
See there, Anthony is coming.
Hi, friends. What's going on?
Oh, you came in correct time.
What happened, Jens? Why are you so sad? What about Sophia? You said that you are going to get married soon.
Oh, you are going to marry. Congrats, my dear friend.
Thank you, Robert. Yeah, but there is some problem. I just want to arrange some money for my wedding within a week.
Oh, it's really a problem. How much do you want to arrange?
I need 3,000 euros.
3,000 euros. I'm glad to lend you money, but I also don't have that much of money right now. But my ships will return within 3 months. Then I will have thousands of euros with me.
3 months? My wedding is in next week, Anthony.
Come with me. I have an idea.
Hey guys, where are you going?
To lend money.
I have some work. I will meet you later.
Okay, Robert.
Anthony, from whom we are going to lend the money?
From Shylock.
Shylock, why are you taking such a stupid decision?
What's wrong? Within 3 months my ships will return. We'll repay him. Mr. Shylock.
Hi, Mr. Anthony.
Hi, Mr. Sherlock. Actually, I came here to ask a small help from you.
What?
Actually, I want to borrow some amount from you, Sherlock.
What? You are in need of money and you came to me to borrow money.
Yes.
Okay, that will be fine. How much do you want?
I need 3,000 euros.
Anthony, meet once again before taking this step.
Don't worry. What will happen? We will repay him within 3 months.
Okay, that's cool. But you need to sign on an agreement.
On what conditions you are going to give me money?
If Mr. Anthony weren't be able to pay his money within the due date, that is June 18, 2021, everything that belongs to Mr. Anthony, including his head, that belongs to me. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm ready to sign your agreement.
Here is the agreement. Okay, great to hear.
Thank you for helping at the right time, Sherlock.
That's my business.
Why are you laughing?
Today I got this great opportunity to see the end of that Anthony.
Why are you being so cruel on him?
Jessica, this is my day. I'll not lose this opportunity.
I think this is not fair. Anthony is really a good person.
Anthony, I'll see your end.
Just tired of you. No one can change you.
Who cares?
It's very happy to see them getting married. It's like I feast for us.
Yeah, actually, seeing all this, I got remembered our marriage.
Oh,
By seeing this, I want to get married.
Okay, then I'll wait for next year.
Hi Clara, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you, Sophia?
Good.
So beautiful today.
Oh, thank you so much, Clara.
I am very happy that you are all here to bless us to start a new life.
Congrats.
Thank you, my buddy.
Congrats, my dear friend.
Thank you, Robert.
Start the function then. Why are you waiting?
I love you, Sophia.
I love you too, James.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally, function is completed. Everything has ended happily.
Sophia, do you know one thing?
What's that, James?
The money which is required for marriage is arranged by Anthony.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Anthony.
Oh, that's okay, Sophia.
How could you arrange 3,000 euros within a short period? You are so great, Anthony.
Actually, the money for marriage is borrowed from Shylock.
What are you saying? From Shylock?
Clara, don't worry. Within 3 months, our ships will return and we repay the amount.
Yeah, he's so cruel and cunning.
Hey, Sophia, what happened?
I know you can do silly mistakes, but James, how could you let him to do that stupid thing?
I tried to stop him, Clara, but he can't listen and he's so confident.
Guys, leave this topic first of all. It's a memorable day for all of us. Let's enjoy. Come on, Robert.
The day is so pleasant today.
Yeah, we all met after a long time. I'm so happy.
Time has passed away without my knowledge. I don't know how I spent 2 months, 20 days of my married life.
But I terribly remember how I spent 1 year of my married life.
But I don't remember it.
My ships will return within 10 days.
After returning the ships, firstly we have to repay back money to Shylock.
Yes, you do that firstly.
Yes, he's so dangerous and cunning.
Yeah.
Anthony, this is shocking news for you.
What happened?
See this.
What happened, Anthony?
It's and court order.
Court order?
Shylock sent a court order as Anthony didn't his due at right time.
How can Shylock complain like this?
No, I surely remember the due date is June 18. Today is just June 8, right? Oh, how
Something
can you do like
went
this?
wrong.
Okay, firstly I will go to the court and see what's happening there.
It's high time to go to court.
Okay, I will go.
James, you also go along with Anthony. We will take up this.
How you can both men can solve this problem?
You don't worry about us. You go along with Anthony.
Okay, I am going.
Mrs. Clara, this is another letter for you.
What's this?
See once.
Actually, there was a storm.
What happened, Clara?
Okay, just see once.
Yeah, then we cannot pay right now. It will be take much time. You're in the middle of the sea.
That Shylock is very cruel. Maybe he changed the date in the agreement.
Okay, we'll teach a good lesson to that cruel Shylock.
Then we will plan something.
I will be the lawyer to a Shylock.
Then I will be in the side of Anthony.
Shylock is very cruel. How can you face him?
You don't worry. We will take care of it.
Okay, Sophia, it's high time. Let's go to the court.
Come on, Clara. Let's do this.
I am very tense. Let's go to the court.
I love to give judgments for any cases. Let's see what interesting case will come today.
Hello, Mr. Austin.
Hi, Mr. Shylock.
Great to see you here.
Yeah, I think you have filed the case of today.
Yeah, I have heard about your previous judgments.
Thank
I'm
you.
very glad to see you.
Thank you, that's cool.
How it would be if a rich merchant and a judge join their hands and be friends?
What do you mean, Mr. Shylock?
I think you got my point, right?
No, rule is rule, rule for all. I will stand for justice. Shylock versus Anthony, along with your lawyers.
Hey, what's happening, James? Oh my god.
Okay, let's move into the case.
Your Honor, my client Mr. Shylock gave 3,000 euros to Mr. Anthony by signing in an agreement that everything which belongs to Mr. Anthony, including his head, now belongs to Mr. Shylock. I have already submitted the agreement to you, which is the proof.
Miss Sophia, do you want to say anything?
Yes, Your Honor. I need to investigate Mr. Shylock.
Proceed.
Can you tell about the agreement that you signed with Mr. Anthony?
Yeah, if Mr. Anthony weren't be able to pay his amount before the due date, that is June 8, 2021, everything that belongs to Mr. Anthony belongs to me, including his head.
Yes, Your Honor, everything which belongs to Mr. Anthony now belongs to my client, Mr. Shylock.
A deal is a deal, a promise is a promise.
Okay, how much amount you gave to my client?
3,000 euros.
But the total amount belongs to my client is 40,000 euros. Note this point, Your Honor.
But he signed an agreement. A deal is a deal, a promise is a promise. Nothing could be changed.
You wantedly signed with Anthony with greedy.
No, I did nothing. He himself signed in the agreement.
Yeah, that's very big amount. So take double amount for that and leave
How
Mrs.
can I
Shylock.
give? How can I, Your Honor? I can't do that. It's an agreement because the deal is a deal, a promise is a promise.
Do you have any arguments?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to investigate Mr. Anthony.
Okay, produce Mr. Anthony into the court.
Okay, Mr. Anthony, please tell me how much property do you have in your ships?
60,000 euros.
Okay, Your Honor. Now this 60,000 property which belongs to Mr. Anthony also belongs to my client. Please note this point, Your Honor.
Yes, that's mine. That belongs to me.
Okay. See this letter, Shylock.
What's this? Oh God, what the hell? What is this? It's not possible. I won't agree with that.
So, Your Honor, there is a loss of 80,000 euros to Mr. Anthony. 3 ships belongs to him has drawn in the sea, so the loss is also belongs to Shylock.
Yes, Your Honor. Everything belongs to Mr. Anthony, belongs to my client, including the losses.
How is it possible? No, I'll not agree that.
You should accept it.
Yes, Your Honor.
No,
Please
I'll not.
accept that because my client strongly believes that a deal is a deal and a promise is a promise.
What the hell is it?
Stop it, Mr. Shylock. You're crossing your limits. If you want to convey anything, convey through your lawyer.
Okay, I have something to say. As per the agreement, even his head belongs to me. Okay, I leave his property, but I need his head.
Yes, Your Honor. My client asking according to the agreement. Nothing wrong in it.
Miss
Of
Anthony,
course, a deal is a deal, a promise is a promise.
Anthony, are you ready to give your head?
Yes, Your Honor, I am ready to give. Okay, Your Honor, my client is ready to give his head, but on one condition. In the agreement, he asked only his head. So, you can take his head without dropping a drop of blood.
What a stupid condition is it? How can it be possible?
What Mrs. Sophia said is absolutely correct.
How it will be possible? I don't agree for that.
A deal is a deal and a promise is a promise.
Is there any evidence to prove Mr. Shylock is a cheater?
Yes, Your Honor, I have an evidence.
What is it?
Your wife, Mr. Shylock, it's Mrs. Jessica.
What? Jessica, here in the court.
Can we produce Mrs. Jessica into the court?
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Jessica, what are you doing here? Why did you come here?
My husband, Mr. Shylock, is a cheater. I am the eyewitness to say that he changed the date in agreement that June 18 as June 8.
Jessica.
Your Honor, by considering this evidence, please do correct justice to Mr. Anthony.
The judgment is clear. It's clear that Mr. Shylock cheated Anthony by changing the dates in the agreement. So the court decided to imprison 2 years Mr. Shylock.
Jessica, what you did? What's wrong with you?
Realized his mistake. Leave him, Your Honor.
What will you say, Mr. Anthony?
Realization is more important than punishment, Your Honor. Leave him.
You are free now, Mr. Shylock. The court is dismissed.
Sophia, congratulations to both of us.
Yes, we won the case.
My god, the way you deal with the case today is really very impressive. Clara, I'm proud of you.
You also rock it today in the court, Sophia. I'm proud to be here as my wife.
Clara and Sophia, you both are very talented. No one can beat you in arguing.
These two deal with the Sherlock is very impressive.
Yeah, we both are very lucky to have our wives.
Yes.
The Shylock.
Shylock. A deal is a deal.
A promise is a promise.
I did a very big mistake. I wouldn't have did this.
Don't be so sad, Shylock. Everything will be fine. I will be there for you.
I'm so sorry, Jessica. I'll be so thankful to you, Jessica. You made me realize all my mistakes. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Shy. Shylock.